Yeah, we're passing a patch of sugarcane here on the farm, ladies and gentlemen. These are some red sweet cane. We have a lot of cane around the other side, so we're gonna make a walk and see if we can find some more cane. See? Alright. See it there? Look a bit more cane on this side right here. Sugarcane, the famous sugarcane, right? These are some red canes right here. Some people call them black cane. These are some yellow cane. Some people call them green. Yes. Inside of the cane patch right here, as you look, you have some potato running around. Of course, the famous callaloo. So, as you see, the farm have things like banana and them thing there over here. Auntie, just dip on the farm. I don't think that is woods, you know. We are in the city here, so I circle around the place. Davie, Florida, sugarcane patches. Alright, over here, so we are prep a bed. This we're preparing the land right now to farm it up. And we're gonna farm up all kind of thing over here. We're gonna have tomato, cocoa. We're gonna put some callaloo over here too. We can't leave the callaloo out because it's gonna grow itself there anyway. So this is the next project right here for the summer coming up. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with us. You're on the farm with the Crocus Farmer. Yes. And you know we're farming from morning till the evening. Yeah.